Hello everybody, today I'm going to share with you this Philips all cracked up LED bulb. Now I have a video of this thing on my channel before it ended up however this happened. Obviously something hit it right there and shattered it, and it's very fragile. But I thought I'd take the opportunity to put it into a bag here and just finish it off and see what's actually in there. So let me see what would be a good thing to use to hit it with. I think that this water bottle is the closest thing. Oop, it broke more. This is a really thick style bag they're giving out lately. I'm not really sure like why, other than it's recyclable. Oh, we got our bulb in here. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's holding together. It's like oh, there's our yolk. That's what I expected to find inside, really. Be very careful with this. It's I'm sure very sharp. So let me try to peel off what I can here. Thankfully this bag is really thick, so it's working really well. And there we go. So this is a yellow phosphored cone, and it is rubbery in texture, and of course underneath are some blue looking LEDs, and I don't know, yes, it looks like you can take it off. See the little things there? It's kind of held in place. You got some glue going on here. Looks like you can pinch it and I'm not hurting it. There you go. So there's our LEDs underneath. They should be blue in color when we turn them on, and this turns it into actual usable light. Now I don't know if this is UV producing or if it's just blue and a very intense blue. Let's find out. Yes, it is a very intense blue. Like I said, I don't know if it produces the bad kind of UV, but if we put this over it, we get white light. Isn't that just amazing? So there we go. There's our white light and our blue. They certainly did some very interesting technology behind this. You know, like, it's also a very strong black light. Let me grab that pen. Boy, that thing glows intense. Look at that thing. And of course this glows. Again, put that over it. Usable white light. That is just such a cool technology. Yep, blue. Usable light. Very cool. Well, I just wanted to share that with you because I thought that it would be neat to share how these early Philips LED bulbs worked. It's the same type of concept with the ones that had the lobes, with the yellow lobes. This was just a later generation, but very cool. I'll try to clean this all up and put this back on and keep it as like a demonstration piece because it's just really cool, the technology behind these early LED bulbs. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this video of seeing what's inside of this thing. And also please comment, rate, share, and subscribe. And thank you very much for watching.